Flourless chocolate cupcakes. Ingredients: 2 cups rolled oats, ½ cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 6 tablespoons peanuts, 1 cup coffee, 3 eggs, 1½ banana, 1/4 cup honey, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 1½ teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Preparation: preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 190 degrees Celsius. Grease 12 muffin cups or line with cupcake liners. Place oats, cocoa powder, and peanuts in a blender, blend to mix. Pour into a large bowl. Combine coffee, eggs, banana, honey, maple syrup, and vanilla extract in the blender, puree until smooth. Pour over oat mixture and beat to combine batter. Add baking soda and baking powder, mix until just combined. Spoon batter into prepared muffin cups. Bake in the preheated oven until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, 18 to 20 minutes.